In the ever-evolving landscape of small business finance, a new breed of service providers has emerged, blending traditional accounting expertise with cutting-edge technology. Bookkeeper 360 is a prime example of this hybrid model, offering not just bookkeeping services but also a suite of financial technology tools. For many small business owners and those looking to understand modern accounting solutions, a key question might be, how was Bookkeeper 360 launched? What was its journey from an idea to a recognized player in the fintech accounting space? As an accounting software expert, I find the origin stories of companies like Bookkeeper 360 particularly insightful, as they often reveal the pain points they aim to solve and the market opportunities they identified. Bookkeeper 360's launch wasn't a sudden, splashy event. Rather, it was a deliberate evolution born from a deep understanding of small business financial struggles and a keen eye for leveraging technology. The genesis, recognizing a core problem. Bookkeeper 360 was founded in 2012 by Nicholas Pasquarosa. His journey into entrepreneurship began even earlier, at the age of 16, working as a local bookkeeper. This hands-on experience, particularly working with small business owners, quickly revealed a common and pervasive problem. Many small businesses struggled immensely with managing their finances. They often lacked the expertise, time, or resources to maintain accurate books, understand their financial health in real time, or navigate complex tax and payroll compliance. The traditional accounting firm model, which often involved reactive, historical reporting and less emphasis on proactive advice, wasn't always meeting the dynamic needs of modern small businesses. Pasquarosa saw a gap between what businesses needed and what was conventionally available. He recognized that entrepreneurs were great at their core business, but often overwhelmed by the back-office tasks of accounting, payroll, and tax. The vision, technology as the catalyst. The crucial insight that propelled Bookkeeper 360 beyond a traditional bookkeeping service was the understanding that technology could simplify and revolutionize the finance department for small businesses. Pasquarosa, with his strong background in accounting and a knack for technology, envisioned a platform that could automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for both the bookkeepers and the business owners, provide real-time financial insights, moving beyond historical reports to offer actionable data for decision-making, centralize financial management, offering a one-stop solution for various back-office needs, scale with businesses, adapting to the evolving needs of startups and growth-stage companies. This vision was born from practical experience. Instead of just doing the books, the idea was to empower business owners with clear, immediate financial data that allowed them to make informed decisions about growth, expenses, and profitability. Early days and market entry strategy. Bookkeeper 360 started from relatively humble beginnings. Initially, it was about providing outsourced accounting and bookkeeping services. Their early market entry strategy relied heavily on word-of-mouth referrals and building strong relationships with clients. This organic growth was a testament to the value they were providing. Clients were experiencing genuine relief from their financial headaches and were happy to recommend the service. A key differentiator from the start was their commitment to being 100% US-based with their accounting team. This addressed a common concern among businesses outsourcing sensitive financial data: the desire for local expertise and support. Rather than trying to build a new accounting ledger from scratch, Bookkeeper 360 strategically leveraged existing, popular cloud-based accounting software. They integrated deeply with platforms like Xero and QuickBooks Online early on. This was a smart move for several reasons. Reduced development burden. They didn't have to reinvent the wheel for the core accounting functionality. Leveraged existing user bases. They could tap into the millions of businesses already using or considering these platforms. Enhanced service offering. By becoming experts in these systems, they could offer specialized support and integrate their own value-added services on top. They quickly gained recognition, for instance, becoming a Xero Platinum partner. Evolution beyond bookkeeping to fintech solution. Over time, Bookkeeper 360 evolved from purely a service provider to a financial technology solution. This meant developing proprietary software. While integrating with Xero and QuickBooks, they also began building their own AI-driven software, dashboards, and client portals. This proprietary technology allowed them to provide real-time dashboards, performance metrics, and deeper financial insights that went beyond what standard accounting software offered out of the box. Expanding service offerings. They broadened their suite of services to include payroll and HR, recognizing that payroll is a complex and intertwined aspect of financial management. Tax compliance, offering comprehensive tax preparation and advisory. CFO advisory, providing higher-level financial strategy and guidance, often on a fractional basis, which is highly valuable for growing businesses that can't yet afford a full-time CFO. Back-office solutions, handling accounts payable, accounts receivable, expense reimbursements, and other administrative financial tasks.